Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how you can configure the Visual Studio Code to run the Matplotlib library from Python inside your C++ main program. And by doing this, actually you can get rid of the terminal. You don't need to open the terminal again and again and to write all the paths and the commands to compile your program. If you configure your Visual Studio Code properly, you just need to click on the play button, so it will done all the compilation and everything for you. So you just need to click on just one play button and to compile and run your program. So we will see how we can do this, and before doing this I have already made the tutorials like how you can install the Matplotlib library and run and link this library with your main program in C++ by different compilation methods, by using G++ or by using cmakelist in both Windows and in Linux environment. So if you want to learn about this library in more detail, so I will put the link in the description so you can go through these videos. So today I will just show you how you can configure the Visual Studio Code in Windows to run the Matplotlib library for your C++ program. So let's go. First of all, you need to open your terminal. So I'm going to use the command prompt, and after this I need to create the directory for the project, and inside this directory we will create the structure for the project. And to create the directory for the project, I am navigating to my C directory, and after that I will create the directory for my project matplotlib, and inside this directory I will create two more directories. One is the source directory we need, and the other one is the include directory. And after this I'm navigating to the include directory, and inside this directory we need one file which is actually the Python wrapper of the Matplotlib library for C++. And to get this file, here is my article actually how to install and use Matplotlib in C++ for the Linux, and in the end I have also made the video on the YouTube, so I will put for the link for the article and the video in the description, so you can go through there. And actually we need this file from here, matplotlibcpp.h, which is actually the Python wrapper for C++. And to get this library I need to copy this link here, and to download this library in Windows you need to type exe and the name of your output file, which is matplotlibcpp.h, and the link here. So the download is successful. So if I type directory, so you can see in my include directory I have one file matplotlibcpp.h, and after that I will go one directory back and I will open this project inside a Visual Studio Code. And then you can see here we have two directories, include and C, and in the include we have already this file matplotlibcpp.h which we have downloaded before. And the next thing we will go in the source directory and we will create one more file which is our main program main.cpp file, and inside this file we will actually load this matplotlibcpp.h and use the plot functions from the Matplotlib library. And I will go again to my article and copy this these lines of code from here and paste it here. And actually in this code we just include this matplotlib.h file here, and after that we will plot the results by using this matplotlibcpp.h. and actually by using the G++ method you need to open your command prompt and you need to type the commands here. For example, by using G++, and I need to give the path for my main file which is in source folder, and I need to write the name for my output file which is output, and after that I need to give the path for all my libraries. So I'm going to use the python.h and python.h numpy, and inside this matplotlibcpp.h you can see here python.h and numpy. So I have to give the path for these libraries inside here in the include. And for this, the libraries are in C, in Python, where you have installed your Python, and include directory for your Python, and you need to give the include path of your folder where the matplotlibcpp.h is inside the include folder. And after this, you need to also give the include path for the numpy library here, and my numpy library here is in C, Python, and in lib, and in side packages, and in numpy core. Actually, you need to get the core here and include, and after that you need to give the path for the Python library, and you need to type -l and C, Python again, and your libs folder. And after that you need to type -l Python 3.8, because I'm using the Python 3.8.3, so I have to use 3.8 here. And the G++ command works only if you have installed the Ming GW compiler for the Windows 11. So I have already downloaded it. So if I press enter, so you see it will generate some errors like select npy type long inside the matplotlib library. Actually, we have the different version of the numpy library, so we will go in this file matplotlibcpp.h, and in line 354 here you need to, here in this line you need to comment these lines from here to here. That's it. So if again I will run this command, and this time the compilation is successful and a new file is generated, output.exe. so we will run this file and see what's inside this. So you can see your results here, what you have right in your main program. Actually, we are plotting just 4 points in the form of steric, and after that we will show the plot. So this is your plot with 4 points, 1 2 3 4. And the next thing, if you need to run and compile your program again and again, you need to type this long command inside your terminal again and again. And to avoid this activity, we can actually configure our Visual Studio Code environment, and after that we will just click on that play button, so it will do everything for us and run the program. So if I right now, if I click on the play button, it will generate the error, so it doesn't have the paths for those libraries. And to set those paths, actually you can go here and you can click on run C++ and these things, and you need to go here in terminal, and you need to click on run task, and you need to click on the configure a task and configure task.json, and run this and run C++, and you see it will show errors. So we will abort this for now, and we will go here in VS Code, and we will here in task.json, and in the args we need to put all the arguments that we have typed in our CMD before. And for example, the first argument is -i, and what is this include folder is actually, this is the first. You can give here, copy and paste it here, and you need to put double this here, and comma, and again you need to put -i, comma, and the next include folder, which is actually, I am putting the numpy first. You can copy it here and again paste it here, and again replace this sign by 2 backslashes, and after that the last include is where actually our matplotlibcpp.h is located. It is located inside the include folder in the matplotlib. So for this we can actually simply type the workspace folder, and inside the include directory include, and the double backslash here. That's it. And the last command we need is to link the libs folder from the Python, and for this we can go here and copy this thing here and paste it here and replace the backslashes with the double backslashes, and in the end we just need to type -python 38. That's it. So if I go back again my main.cpp and if I click on run, so this time you will see no error is generated and it will plot the result for you. This is it for today, and for the next tutorial we will see how we can use other useful libraries from the Python inside our C++ main program, and how we can configure it inside our Visual Studio Code and also inside our Visual Studio 2022 platform. And see you next time. Bye bye.